Alright, well, as you can see from the intro time lapse, I have started filling and taping the walls that I have done so far. I just took a break and finished putting some more tape up. Not looking too bad for my first time ever doing anything like this, but that's turned out pretty good. It's all drying, but yeah. So I'm gonna set it back up, mix my next batch of mud, and continue on. Well, that'll probably be it for today's video. And I'll probably just continue from here doing a montage of days. This was all, of course, just one day of work, but I will probably do several days just to make the videos quicker and easier. So I'll see you next time if you want to follow along. Have a great day.